What's up guys, it's Caleb VD Labs here. Just wanting to show you how to install our Bronco shifter plate here. All you got to do is first clean the surface with some rubbing alcohol. I'm just using 70%. Use a lint-free rag or microfiber towel. All you want to do, take the microfiber, scrub the whole area that this decal is going to go in. Once you get it wiped down, all you want to do, you want to take this, peel it back, peel it off of the paper backing. And what I like to do is I like to take this and wet this end down here on the bottom. That will go around the ring. Wet the sticky side. So just use some water, don't use soap, just water. And just wet that just a little bit right, maybe right there on the end. That will give you some maneuverability and make this a lot easier to install. So I'm gonna go wet that, I'll be right back. All right guys, so now I got it wet. Make sure you don't overdo it. I just wet that bottom piece right there. So you wanna turn your vehicle on and you wanna bring it down into manual, and then you want to set the parking brake. Now make sure you do set the parking brake in your vehicle. All right guys, so once the dinging stops, you can now take this and it will make it much easier to lay this on. We're getting stuck right there. So what I like to do is I like to start right here, lining it up. So now you have that lined up. And then come back here and pull this down, but just be really gentle and easy. And then as you can see, it is a tight fit, but it does fit. And you just want to take your finger, as you can see I'm doing. I'm just pulling that out. Come right here with this finger and then kind of work it outward. That's why you wet it, so that way you'll be able to slide it once it gets down there and it don't go too far underneath. And as you can see, it's easily going on now. And you just want to work that out. As you can see, I'm taking my finger and kind of twisting it with a lot of pressure, and that helps pull the vinyl outward, out from underneath that. And as you can see, it is about lined up perfect there now. So what we'll do is we'll move on up here to the upper section. And what I like to do is I like to get down here close to it. I like to get down close and just run it just by placing it down along this line. And then, there we go. And you're just, all you're doing is laying it along that line. And I cannot see here, and I know I'm gonna block your view if I hop over there. So, you do the same thing down the other side here. I am probably gonna block your view to install that, but I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it, it's laid down perfectly. Like I said, line it up there, work it down around the bottom, go right up the contour lines of the shifter box, and everything should line up perfect for you guys. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here, we'll help you any way we can. If you're watching this and you purchased it already and you're trying to learn how to install it, I really appreciate you guys. You had me living my dream, and I really do appreciate it. Anyway, hope you guys have a good night. Thanks.